Welcome to the BERG River Resort. It's an 11-hectare oasis located along the banks of the BERG River in the Western Cape of South Africa, situated only 60 kilometers northeast of Cape Town, the city, and between Paarl and Franschhoek, two very prominent tourist destinations in the Cape. The resort is surrounded by Stellenbosch if you love your wine and enjoy doing some tasting. Also Jonkershoek, and of course the Klein Drakensberg mountain ranges. It's a popular destination for both overnight stays and day visits, offering a serene and picturesque environment. There are many other facilities and activities to get involved in on site, but I'll tell you more about that on a walkabout I'm going to do shortly, and you will see more. The BERG River Resort has received positive reviews for its beautiful setting and family-friendly atmosphere. Visitors appreciate the wide range of activities and facilities, making it ideal for family gatherings, school outings, and team-building events. The resort is also praised for its natural surroundings and the opportunity to enjoy the outdoors. However, at the moment, some reviews mention ongoing roadworks in the area, which can affect travel, but are expected to improve in the very near future. Overall, the resort is highly recommended for those seeking a relaxing and enjoyable stay in the Cape Winelands. The Laborie Lazy Day Market is a well-known attraction near to the BERG River Resort. So the conveniently located restaurants include Giovanni's, Cape to Rio Fisheries, various takeaways. The Stoop restaurant at Laborie Estate is very pretty and worth a visit. Personally, we chose to braai, and the facilities here are absolutely perfect just for that. Of course, braai wood, barbecue wood if you prefer, is available at the entrance to the estate, to the resort. Pop in there, get some. It's reasonably priced. You'll have a fantastic time here. Also, you're surrounded by all those lovely estates over there as well. You might want to pop in and have a look around, see what's available. This part of Cape Town is becoming like the south of France, and just as desirable if you want to have a look and get away from the wars in Europe and far from the expensive holidays you might have to pay for in America and the Far East. Well, just pop in, have a look around, relax, enjoy yourself. This is the place to come for a little bit of quiet time. In a coming episode, I will take you for a walkabout and show you exactly what the place looks like from eye level, and you will enjoy it very much. I think it'll be quite an eye-opener. Come and have a look. Stay tuned.